Pimentel, you are recognized.
Yes,
You have 10 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'd like to direct my question to Wilkins Villanueva. I was going over the report. Merong hinuli doon related sa Dungmoy raid, yung Jed Pilapil C. Sino po ba ito? Ano to ni Alan C?
Asawa po.
Asawa. Ay yung Jong Pilapil.
Kapatid po ni Jed Pilapil C. Bayaw ni Alan C.
Nung ni-raid yung Dumoy, nandun ba yung Jed Pilapil and Jong C? Hindi.
Wala po.
So saan na nahuli itong...
Sa Arlene apartment, Mr. Chair.
Sa Arlene.
Yes,
So
Mr.
this was on January 4 na. Because yung, according to the report, December 31, yung Dumoy raid. And then may search warrant yata dun sa Arlene apartment is January 1.
Yes,
2005
Mr. Chair.
na.
Yes.
Kasama po kayo dun sa pag-search or pag-raid dun sa Arlene apartment?
Hindi po. I was in Dumoy because of the VIPs who came from Manila. Ako po yun, kaming dalawa ni Colonel Asierto ang nag-asikaso sa mga VIPs, heads of different agencies. Kami ang nag-asikaso po sa Dumoy Laboratory. Kasi gusto po talaga nilang tingnan kung anong situation sa Dumoy, Mr. Chair. That's why talaga natali kami ni Colonel Asierto doon sa Dumoy on January 1, Mr. Chair.
So after the Dumoy raid, Mr. Chair, doon na kayo nag-execute ng search warrant para sa Arlene apartment?
Wala pong warrant ang Arlene apartment, Mr. Chair.
Wala bang search warrant yun? So, basta na lang hinuli yung Jed Pilapil C doon. Saan ba nahuli yung Jed Pilapil C?
Sa Arlene apartment. But nung gabi, natapos na, Mr. Chair, yung Dumoy, na-clear na yung, nagkaroon na inventory during that time, na-clear na, nagpirmahan na. Dumiretso po ang team papuntang Arlene apartment on that night.
On that night?
Yes, Mr.
O bali
Chair.
early morning na ng January 1st?
Yung January 1st in the morning, wala akong idea kung ano nangyari doon, Mr. Chair. Kasi naandun po ako physically sa Dumoy Clandestine Laboratory.
Now, nung after the Dumoy raid, dumiretso yung raiding team doon sa Arlene, di ba?
Arlene apartment, Mr.
May
Chair.
nakita pang, I think, 30 nationals doon? Doon na ba nakita yung 30 nationals?
Hindi pa, Mr. Chair. Hindi pa eh. Ang tumbok lang namin doon is si Jong Pilapil at si Jed Pilapil.
So you got information that Jed Pilapil, the wife of Alan C., was staying at Arlene.
Alam namin na doon sila nakatira, Mr. Chair.
Na-casing na yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kasama na doon sa casing
Yes,
ng
Mr.
Dumoy.
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
And then Jed Pilapil was arrested then.
There, sa Arlene
Sa
apartment.
Arlene apartment.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko lang, so a case was filed against Jed Pilapil C. and Jong C.
Yes, Mr. Chair. They were already convicted.
Convicted na po
Yes,
ito.
Mr. Chair.
So nasa na itong dalawa?
I believe nasa Davao. Hindi ko na alam, Mr. Chair, but kung doon ka sa Davao, galing ka Davao, it's either Davao Penal Colony ka or dito sa Bilibid. Convicted po sila, Mr. Chair.
Aside from these two, sino pa bang na-convict? May alam pa ba na aside from...
Yung mga personalities, Mr. Chair, na at large, pero at large sila, Mr. Chair, hindi kasama doon sa case. But they have warrant of arrest against them.
Do you know anong case yung final kay Pilapil?
Come again, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo ba kung anong kaso ang final kay Pilapil?
Manufacture. Manufacture of dangerous drugs.
So, pagdating dun sa Arlene apartment, Mr. Chair, were you able to get, recover some shabu?
Wala po.
So, automatic na. Ito established na talagang kasama siya dun sa
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi po, siya mismo yung magdadala ng freezer, papunta ng
yung Jed Pilapil
bodega.
mismo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
So,
Mr.
she really knew. She knew na yung husband niya was involved
Mr.
dun sa
Chair.
manufacture.
Kasi, Mr. Chair, hindi pa na-assemble lahat. Dinadala pa lang yung mga equipment. Naando na siya eh. Siya na yung halinhinan sila ni Alan eh. Tsaka yung Alex Kim, na isa sa mga namatay, halinhinan silang tatlo na nagpo-procure, idadala doon sa laboratory. And it was covered by surveillance and casing. So
doon
alam
sa-
namin na may
yun na nga,
participation
doon sa
talaga.
surveillance team, nakita talaga yung jet doon sa bodega.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
For several
Including dun sa Agdao, yung bodega sa Agdao. Nakita rin siya dun, Mr. Chair. While Jong Pilapil, siya yung nagmamando dun naman sa Polytech, dun sa Bunawan. Dun ang participation ni Jong Pilapil, Mr. Chair.
So both of these persons are already convicted.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun lang po.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Follow-up lang, question lang to before we proceed to the next item of our agenda. Kay Jimmy Guban. Jimmy Guban kasi we're talking about din yung mga illegal drugs.